Hey YouTubers, and welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going back into an update on the Capri Tools 4-in-1 reversible box end ratcheting wrench set that I reviewed just a few weeks ago. Here we're going to be announcing the winner. So if you guys are not the winner, but you guys are still interested in this set, keep in mind that Capri Tools on their website, if you purchase it from them, you can get 5% in rewards, or if you've made purchases from them before, you may have star reward points is what they go by, to reduce the cost of this set. But it is $100 and you get this 4-piece set. It is actually 16 different wrenches. I think it's fantastic because you have such a compact set, very few tools that range quite widely. So just a scenario, you're going underneath your car to work on your suspension. Instead of, getting up 10 times to grab different wrenches, you could literally either grab a couple of these wrenches or just grab this set, and you have a wide variety. If you know it's just metric, just grab the 2 metric sets. You got on the metric side 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, and 19 very common sizes. Yes, it skips a few, but you have a wide variety there. You may only get up 3 times now instead of 10 times if you're like me. So I think it's a fantastic set, the way they designed it. I actually didn't know sets like this existed until Capri Tools released this. And then after I got this set, I realized they've been out. Maybe I saw this set and just thought it was just like other ratcheting double box end wrench sets. Now I do hope that in the future Capri Tools does release a set like this, but in an extra long version. I know a lot of people would really enjoy that. And I think at $100 price range, this is a good set. Capri Tools has always had good quality for me. I haven't had any issues. They have a good warranty program. They've always responded anytime I've had to message them about anything, or if I've had any questions on a tool, or maybe there was information I was seeking in order to share with you guys in one of my videos. They've always been very helpful. Plus, a lot of the other sets that are like this, after I got this set and found out there were others, I realized this is the only one that I've found that has a 120 tooth design, and it doesn't say it's dual stacked paws or anything like that. So as far as I know, it's a true 120 tooth. I can't confirm that. I could ask and get you guys updated on that information, but from my understanding of reading the details, it does seem like a 120 tooth setup, a true one. And they're very smooth, and while they're not going to be, your go-to for every situation, they definitely have their place and can be very handy. They're also reversible. They need to be in order for this type of tool to work, because there's a different size on each side, not just both ends, but on each side. So here you can kind of see that, whereas one side you can kind of see how it's smaller on that side, larger on this side. Here you can see the 120 tooth, 3-degree arc swing, and it does have kind of that offset for a little bit of recess. Their Wave Drive Pro box end. And I've used these things, 5 to 10 times, just doing some upgrades on the new Colorado, and they've performed flawlessly. Haven't had any issues or anything like that. If I ever do have issues, I will definitely let you guys know. But I do have a full review on this set. If you guys are interested, go ahead and check that video out. I just kind of wanted to show you what Capri Tools offers on the website, so you guys can get a lot more information on here if you're really interested in it. And once again, you can use their rewards program in order to save a little bit of money on these or on your next purchase. And they do come in a nice EVA foam tray with a kind of a hard plastic top on it, so this thing isn't constantly absorbing oil or anything from when you put the tools back. And there's every size that you're going to get. So let's go ahead and get into the winner. On that video we had, at the time of me getting ready to do the random number generator, there were 152 comments, 254 likes or something along those lines as far as likes, but the requirements were to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So we had 152 total after going through and double checking that there weren't any double comments or anything like that, and then my responses back, there were probably a total of close to 400 comments, truthfully. But after narrowing it down, it was 152 total at the time, and the random number generator landed on 25, number 25 out of the 152, and that was going to be the Pineapple Daddy, or at the Pineapple Daddy. His YouTube channel is a different word. for turd box tech. So you are the winner. I have already messaged you via comment that you left. If you would reach out to me via email or Facebook or Instagram at Tony the Technician, I'll get your information from you. I'm not going to ask for money. I'm not going to ask for any personal information such as banking account information or anything like that. There are a lot of scammers in these giveaways now. So message me directly and I'll get you taken care of, and I'll get that sent out to you. And I really hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. We'll do more giveaways here in the future, but I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on this set, or if you would consider purchasing it. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.